It's Morning Edition, and this is Can Do Time on Thursday mornings, which is our local list of events that are curated, things for you to go out and do that we scour the internet to find, or more to the point, he scours the internet to find. Kata Plus from the Contemporary Arts Network joins us once again to give us that list of things that are happening around town. Good morning, sir. How are you?
Good morning, Chuck. How are you?
Summer's almost here. You getting excited?
Yes, I'm very excited to be indoors during the summer season. How about yourself?
Love the summer, but no longer a fan of the beach, you know?
Really? Why not?
Because now I'm that guy covered in SPF 80 with the big hat on, and I don't want to be that guy at the beach.
I got it. Totally understood.
And just a bevy of events to talk about today. I mean, we will take you out on the water. We will get you into a seafood festival, but we kick things off this week with butterflies? Well, what's this?
Yep, first up we got Nature Academy, Beautiful Butterflies. This is going to be today, May 22nd from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m.
All right.
Yeah, and this one's going to be at Chesapeake Arboretum. This is an outdoor program for children aged 5 to 12 to admire butterfly residents. You get to hike through gardens, you get to go on a bug hunt, and finish with a butterfly-themed craft. Registration is required and costs $10 per child.
I love the Chesapeake Arboretum. I used to take my own kids there when they were little, and that's kind of one of these last-minute things if you're looking for something to do. The butterflies this morning from 9 till 11.
Next up, we got Norfolk Works, the Summer Employment and Career Series. This is going to be today also. It's going to be from 2 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and it's going to be at Huntersville Community Center over in Norfolk. This community career fair connects residents with local employers offering summer employment and permanent career opportunities. It's part of a series of intimate career fairs held each Thursday in May across Norfolk.
And this is great because maybe you have some children home from college and they're looking for something to do this summer, as my dad used to say, you know.
Remember how you were saying you were bored? Yeah, got something for you.
Fantastic. All right, so that one, again, is today as well. Up next, I guess we're moving on to, we're making cakes or cake boxes.
Yep, we got the Fake Cake Workshop, and this is going to be today, May 22nd, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. We got a lot going on today. And this one's going to be at For Print's Sake over in Portsmouth. You're going to get to decorate your own keepsake box with piped faux frosting. You get some cherries, you got sprinkles, and all other toppings in this hands-on DIY workshop. Prices are going to be $45 for a small box and $55 for a large box with all materials included.
That's a good thing to have because, I mean, if you've done any baking lately or you've even made breakfast.
Exactly. This way you don't have to spend all your money on eggs.
Yeah, I heard them saying that the price of eggs were coming down. I still don't say $5-6 a dozen is a deal, but maybe that's me.
Chuck, have you ever used applesauce instead of eggs?
I have not. Is that even like a thing or what?
Look it up, Chuck. You should look that one up.
All right, so I got some homework to do. And for our next event, this is that seafood festival that you were telling me about before we started. Now, tell me more.
That's right. We got Dockside Seafood Fest, and it's going to be Friday, tomorrow, May 23rd, from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. over at Graham and Rollins.
Is that South Side or Peninsula?
Yeah, so that's over in Hampton. And it's an annual fundraiser for the Hampton History Museum featuring all-you-can-eat local seafood, including blue crab, oysters, scallops, flounder, and shrimp. That sounds delicious to me. The evening also includes complimentary beer, wine, dockside, lemonade, live music, and a silent auction/raffle.
All right, and for the last one, this one is for Saturday. It's between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. at the Dismal Swamp Trail Canal, and it's, I hike there a lot myself.
Nice, you're a trail guy, so I would expect that.
Yeah, but this one is on the water, and it's a day paddle that they're having out there, so.
At this one, you can enjoy a relaxing, slow-paced paddle on the Dismal Swamp Canal Trail, perfect for bird watching and nature photography. The cost is $25 for a single kayak, and you can find out more about those prices at cityofchesapeake.net.
All right, and before we go, remember to get those events into us with at least 2 weeks in advance. You can send them to
CanDo@WHRO.org.
All right, so till next week, Kata Plus from the Contemporary Arts Network.
Later, guys.
We'll see you back here. This is Morning Edition.